Hi dear students, let's see this question that came in JEE Advanced Paper 1 Physics in the year 2021. The question is very easy from the topic of conservation of linear momentum and projectile motion. Most of the students would have done this without any problem because I'm sure that almost all of you, all the students who have prepared for JEE Advanced would have seen this question in their preparation or similar question basically. So the question is based on the marking scheme of STEM based question. So basically IIT had used a fancy word STEM. So nothing, it's nothing, it's just a para. So basically the paragraph was this, and there were two questions that were asked for for each paragraph. So question number 5, the value of time is being asked, and the question number 6, the value of distance is being asked. Each question had 2 marks. So if you get question 5, you get +2. If you get question 6 correct, you get +2. So for each stem, or we can say each para, there was 4 marks. Okay. So let's see what's being given in this paragraph. Basically, a particle is thrown at an angle of 45 degree uh, with a speed of 5 to 2 meter per second. This is a projectile. 45 degrees from the vertical, but since it's 45 degrees, so it doesn't matter if it's from the vertical or horizontal. At the highest point, projectile breaks into two equal masses. Uh, One of the masses falls vertically and hits the ground after 0.5 seconds. The other hits the ground after t seconds at a distance of x from the point of projection, which is point O. Acceleration due to gravity is 10. We have to find the value of t and we have to find the value of x. Okay. One more important thing, there was no negative marks in this paragraph based questions. So let's see what's happening over here. Basically, this is a projectile which is being thrown. At the highest point, it breaks into two projectiles. So one of the projectile falls vertically, okay, and it reaches the ground in point, zero point 0.5 seconds, 0.5 seconds. Okay, now this is thrown at 45 degree and speed is 5 root 5, 5 root 2, sorry, 5 root 2. Okay, so first let's calculate the maximum height. So maximum height is u square sine square theta by 2g. That means it will become 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. Sine 45 into sine 45 will become 1 by 2, and 2g will become 2 into 10. So you can see that 5 into root 2 is 10 only. So this will cancel out. 5 by 4 is 1.25 meters. So this is one maximum height is 1.25 meters, right? Now if we so this projectile has split into two particles, let us say each of mass m and m. That means original projectile would have gotten the mass 2m. Okay. Now, if you see this projectile which is falling vertically, it reaches the it reaches the ground in 0.5 seconds. Okay, so we don't know whether this projectile would have gotten some initial velocity in the vertical direction or not. That is yet to be seen. Okay, but if you calculate, let's assume that this projectile has some vertical velocity. So we will write 1.25 is equals to ut plus half a t square. So u naught into t, which is 0.5, plus half into acceleration is 10 into 0.5 into 0.5, right? So if you see, this becomes 1.25 is equals to u naught into 0.5 plus this becomes 1.25 itself, which means that u naught is 0, which means that u naught is 0. That means this projectile did not have any initial velocity going in the vertical direction. That means it is behaving as if it was simply released from rest, which implies that the second projectile, which is going to go somewhere over here. Okay, let me draw the figure in the next diagram, next slide. So basically the splitting happens somewhere over here. One projectile falls like this and other projectile will fall somewhere like this. Okay, so since we can say that this projectile has did not get any vertical velocity. So by linear momentum conservation, we can say that this projectile also did not get any linear vertical any vertical velocity. Okay, क्योंकि अगर इसके पास initial vertical velocity आती, that means इसके पास भी initial vertical velocity आती, because original projectile के पास इस point पे कोई भी vertical velocity नहीं था. तो अगर 2m के पास यहाँ पे कोई वर्टिकल वेलोसिटी नहीं है तो वी कैन से दैट, और m के पास भी नहीं है स्प्लिट होने के बाद, सो वी कैन से दैट दिस m विच इज गोइंग समवेयर ओवर हियर, इस m के पास भी नहीं रहा होगा. ओके, नाउ वी कैन से ये हमें डिस्टेंस x निकालना है. ठीक है, तो बाय द वे ये x निकालना है और ये निकालना है कि ये प्रोजेक्टाइल कितने टाइम के बाद इट इज गोइंग टू फॉल. नाउ इट इज वेरी वेरी इजी टू से दैट इसका भी जो टाइम होगा वो तो 0.5 सेकेंड्स ही होगा. इट्स वेरी ऑब्वियस बिकॉज दोनों के पास वर्टिकल वेलोसिटी जीरो है, दोनों को सेम हाइट वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में ट्रैवल करना है. तो अगर दोनों को सेम हाइट वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में ट्रैवल करना है, दे हैव गॉट सेम इनिशियल वर्टिकल वेलोसिटी व्हिच इज जीरो, एक्सेलरेशन भी दोनों का सेम है ग्रेविटी, एंड हेंस टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट विल रिमेन सेम बिकॉज टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट एक्स डायरेक्शन पे डिपेंड नहीं करता, इट जस्ट डिपेंड्स ऑन द वाई डायरेक्शन. So we can say that for the option 5 the answer will be 0.5 seconds. Okay, for finding x we can locate the center of mass. अगर ये 2m ब्रेक नहीं किया होता तो 2m would have simply you know would have fallen at the range. 2m अपनी रेंज पे जाके गिरता बिकॉज 2m पे लीनियर मोमेंटम, 2m पे तो जो बोल सकते हैं कोई भी फोर्स नहीं आया है एक्स डायरेक्शन में, तो 2m would have fallen at the range itself. तो 2m is the center of mass of m and m. ये वाला m और ये वाला m का center of mass. ओके, नाउ इट इज वेरी इजी टू सी कि ये भी मास m है और ये भी मास m है, तो 2m तो इस m और m का सेंटर पॉइंट हो जाएगा, मिडिल पॉइंट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, और ये रेंज पे है. ये m कहाँ पे, ये रेंज बाई 2 पे है. ठीक है, तो वी कैन से दैट रेंज शुड बी एवरेज और मिडिल पॉइंट ऑफ रेंज बाई 2 एंड x. दैट मीन्स r बाई 2 प्लस x का मिडिल पॉइंट रेंज. ओके, so from here you can see that x becomes 2r minus r by 2, that means 3r by 2. ठीक है, रेंज अपन बहुत इजीली निकाल सकते हैं. रेंज होगी u स्क्वायर साइन टू थीटा बाई जी. राइट, तो व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू गेट, u कितना दिया गया था 5 रूट 2, तो हो जाएगा 5 रूट 2 इंटू 5 रूट 2 इंटू साइन 90 बिकम्स 1 एंड ग्रेविटी इज 10. तो अगेन यहाँ से 5 रूट 2 एंड रूट 2 10 होता है, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 5 से 15 बाई 2 कितना हो गया, 7.5 मीटर्स, and hence value of x should be 7.5. So I hope you would have understood. Quite easy question. Most of the students would have done this very easily. That's it. Thank you.